The Philippine National Police is taking all necessary measures to ensure peace and order. They have also issued strong warnings against any acts of violence, including threats on social media related to the controversial flood control projects. Our Ryan Lesigas tells us more.
Kung ano man ang magiging resulta ng panawagan, ang Philippine National Police po ay mananatiling non-partisan political. Basta po mayroong paglabag na magagawa sa ating pong batas, ito po ay hulihin ng Philippine National Police.
This is the warning of the Philippine National Police or PNP regarding those who plan to violently protest the issue of the flood control project in the country. In addition to the planned protest actions, there are also open calls and incitement by some on social media to storm the alleged house of the House Speaker Martin Romualdez in an exclusive subdivision in Makati. Besides the threat of burning, they are also calling to bomb the alleged 12 properties of the congressman in the said area. The PNP said is investigating the people behind the social media posts.
Bagamat po nire-respeto ang freedom of expression, peaceful assembly, lalo na po kung ito ay authorized with permit. At sinasabi po natin, bagamat nire-respeto natin ang sentimiento ng ating mga kababayan, at hindi naman po papayagan ng Philippine National Police na magkaroon ng violations of law.
All systems are also go for the PNP in the upcoming massive protest on March 21, including the 3-day transport strike. More than 50,000 police officers will be deployed to the rallies, as well as for the traffic regulation, checkpoints, and others. The PNP stressed the protests are not expected to turn violent, but does not rule them out and has expressed readiness for whatever happens.
Ang police po ay magiging present, gagamitin po yung magiging mapagpasensya, yung maximum tolerance, at papakinggan ang hinaing ng mga kababayan natin, lalo na po yung mga organizers na magrarally na makikipag-usap sa atin na may mga permit po.
As of now, the PNP is on heightened alert, which will be raised to full alert status before Sunday. Even though they are on orders to exercise maximum tolerance, they still reminded protesters, especially those who plan to engage in other activities, such as painting on the streets. The PNP said it has not monitored any threat for September 21. As of now, no group has yet obtained a permit. But according to the PNP, the number of participants in the protest could reach up to 10,000. To condemn the alleged massive corruption involving the country's flood control projects. Ryan Lesigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines, Camp Crame.